Hello, hi team. So using Grigora, you can create beautiful landing pages and blogs for your website. So we have lots and lots of templates to begin with. We have templates for blogs as well. Then we have templates for portfolio websites as well. For example, this is a portfolio website, and all of these templates are already responsive. So if you switch in between from desktop to mobile, you'll see that all of the views are properly set up along with the header. Then let's have a look at a blog post layout. So this is a newspaper style blog post layout. Then yeah, that's it. Okay, so once you are in Grigora, you'll get this window where you'll have to enter the name of your website. So for now I'll enter my website, then click on next. So over here you can select from many templates as I showed you earlier. So okay, so I like this one. So this has got blog posts and then few featured posts, and yeah, so over here you can change the color palettes of your theme. So then you can also change the font families from here. So yeah, I like this one, so I'll go with this one and click on build my website. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds to import images and everything, and then yeah, that's it. Once your website is created, you'll get it into a dashboard like this. So in this dashboard you'll see how many page views you have, then number of unique visitors you had, then how many bandwidth you have consumed. You can also get an idea of how much storage you have consumed over here. So right now this is empty, and this will be updated as you upload more and more files. So let's start by editing our website. So over here you'll get this button, site editor. Click on it. So this will open up a native site editor for our blog layout or whatever landing pages you have imported from the template. So over here you can change this. Since this is a CMS, everything is linked dynamically to post title and from our CMS. So you can change the titles from here, famous post of today. Then you can also apply few rich text settings. For example, if you only have to add a color to this, then you can make it blue. Then so we have a pure drag and drop system where you can click on this add element, and we have lots and lots of elements in Grigora. So whatever you require, most probably it will be already there. If you don't, just request us, we'll build it for you. So let's say I want to have a call to action button over here. So I'll add a button, then my button. Yeah. So once you have a button over here, you can edit its look from right hand side setting. So for example, if you want to add an icon into it, so you can click on it and then you can see that an icon is added. Then you can also add a border radius to it. So go to advanced, then border, then yeah, you can make it rounded. Then you can also align it in right side of your. And also one more thing, Grigora is completely responsive. So if you switch from desktop view to tablet view, and if you wish to have this in center in tablet, you can switch it, and you can see that in desktop it's at right side, and in tablet view it is at center. Then in elements you'll get many elements like text, image, button, then container, then columns, then navigation, then site logo. Then you can also create forms from here. Just drag it and drop over here. So we have 3 default form templates. If you click on this detailed for newsletter form, so you'll get the form template like this, and everything in this template is completely customizable. So using Grigora, you can also collect leads in your websites. Apart from these elements, we also have pre-built sections. So over here you get a hero sections, then you can get a team sections, then testimonial, services, and many more. So let's say you have to import a team section, just drag and drop it over here. So you can import the section over here. So after you click on publish, it will automatically generate HTML pages, optimize JavaScript, CSS for you, and also generate a XML sitemap for your website. And this will take around 5 to 10 seconds. So let's click on this URL, and yeah, over here you can see that our website is published. I have added this team section, then I have this form as well, then my button is present over here. Then let's go to our post editor. Click on this posts, then let's edit the existing post. I'll click on the, you can simply type your post, then you can just click on 3 dots, then settings, then you can customize it further. So let's say you want to bold it, just click on Command B, or just click on bold over here. Then if you want to underline it, then you can change the alignment, then you can change colors, then you can add background. Yeah, that's it. And we have an inbuilt SEO tool to evaluate your content according to your keywords. So for example, if you have this Komodo as a keyword, just copy it, go to SEO tab, then paste it over here, and will automatically suggest you few points on which you can improve on. So let's publish your post. Yeah, after publishing you can just click on this view button to view your post. You can see that everything has been reflected in real time. Then in files, you can get the file manager over here. You can upload more files or browse files which you have uploaded earlier. In remarks, let's say you are creating a post and you want some feedback or want to ask the author to change this paragraph or this specific section. So just select it, and then you'll see a comment section over here, add remark. So click on add remark and mention your collaborator, and Pratik, change the tone of this. So after you add it, Pratik will receive an email and notification for this, and he can see your remark by clicking it over here. In Teams, you can assign assignments to your team. For example, you'll add a task. This is basically a Kanban board for your team. Change header, and you can assign the tasks to Pratik and then click on add. Then blog post on beautiful dog breeds, and assign it to some collaborator. Then in settings, you can invite your collaborators over here. In collaborator, you can invite them into different roles. Then in advanced, you can add custom code to your header, body and end sections, Then in custom domain, you can connect your custom domain. So you can enter your root domain or subdomain or even a subdirectory. So let's once you add the subdirectory, you will get step-by-step process for each platform. Click on add subdirectory. Over here you can see that you can select whatever platform your existing root domain is set up on. Let's say I have it on AWS CloudFront, so it will give you some set of instructions and you have to follow these to install Grigora in your subdirectory. In migration, we have a complete CMS migration tool to help you migrate from WordPress to Grigora.